Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy junk journal cards and tags using this set of junk journal templates. Each template set includes 7 cards or tags in different sizes, as well as individual sets with different shapes. The templates come in 2 styles, one with a border for a vintage style finish and one with lined edges for a clean edge finish. And each set comes in 3 different formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own printed papers or scrapbook papers. The PNG format can be used in a photo editing program such as Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, which gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers. And the Canva frame templates can be used in Canva. The pages are designed to print on US letter size paper, however you can also use A4 size paper. The PDF templates are easy to use with your own printable papers or scrapbook papers. Open the PDF template file and select the page that you want to print. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to None so that the template prints at the correct size. The wording for this may be different depending on the software that you use. Insert a sheet of printable paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the PNG templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop or Photop, which is a free Photoshop alternative, or any other similar type of program. Then add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. To add the digital paper, you can use the menu commands to select, copy and paste, or simply drag the image out of the frame and onto the document. You can use one digital paper to create your design, or you can use multiple papers to align within the individual elements. If one of the papers overlaps another, use a layer mask to hide the overlap. To use a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select a hard brush and make sure that the opacity is set to 100%. Then select the color black and brush away the overlap. As well as designing in programs like Photoshop, you can also design in Canva using the Canva frame templates. To get started, log into your Canva account. Then click the link to the Canva template. You can find the link in the document that's included with your download. The Canva frame templates include individual frames for each of the pieces, as well as the overlay templates, which have fold line and cutting line guides, as well as the vintage style border. To upload your digital papers, you can use the Upload Files button and select the files from your desktop, or drag the files out of the folder and drop them onto the Canva editor. You can use the templates in several different ways. You can add one paper to cover the whole of the background area. To do this, click on the thumbnail, then move the paper to the top left corner and resize to cover the background. Use the Control or Command key on your keyboard to prevent the paper from snapping into the frames. Then move the template overlays to a layer above the paper. To do this, click on the background paper, then click the Position button on the top menu. Select the Layers tab, and then you can drag the layers into the correct order. The template overlays are located underneath the frame layer. Simply move one of them to the layer above the digital paper layer. You can also insert the background papers into each individual frame. To do this, drag the paper over the frame until it snaps into place. To adjust and resize the paper, double-click on it and move it around using the handles. When you're done, click on the background to exit. The other templates can be used in the same way. Once the design is completed, you can save it for printing. Click the Share button and then Download. Select File Type PDF Print and make sure to check Flatten PDF. Then click the Download button.